Hey there, Bill from Spotlightr here, and today in this video I want to go over some of our playback options for the videos in your courses. So what I have here is a course I've already configured. I've already added the videos, added details for the lessons and sections, configured some of the appearance options. So basically brought the course up and running so far. To see the details on how to do that, please see previous videos. Right now what I want to go over is I want to go over the playback options, which are right here. And I already have the course launched here in our hosted page. So let's go back to the playback options and go over each option here. So the first one, autoplay next video. Pretty self-explanatory. Once your student watches a video and that finishes, it will autoplay the second video. So let's go ahead and, if you haven't seen our lesson pages yet, let's go ahead back to our, this is basically our course introduction page or course page that has all the information about the content of the course, the lessons, registration information, certificate information, this sort of stuff, the instructor, and all the details. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch the first lesson here. So that will go ahead and start that video automatically. I'm gonna pause it. And if you have this enabled, right, once that video is done, it'll start the next one. So next option here, hide playing next message. So we have a feature here where you can show what's going to play next on the top corner of the video. So if you want to hide that feature or that notification of what's going to come next, you can just enable this and that will hide it. If you want those notifications to show, then you would just disable this. These are the two really I want to go over more extensively, the video progression and then available after. So the video progression feature, basically what it means is that you're going to require your students to watch the video, a certain amount of the video before they're able to go to the next video. So if I enable this and you see a little gear icon here, if I click on that, that's going to show what's the required percentage that you want your students to watch before they're allowed to proceed. So the default is 50%. So this means that the student must watch at least 50% of the video before they can move on to the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that at 50% and just show you how this works. Let's go ahead and click save. All right, and we'll go back to the course and let's refresh this. And we'll go back to our content here, launch the lesson. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and try and hover over the next lesson. You're gonna see there's the cursor turned to a little like do not go sort of icon. So I can't click on that. I can't proceed to that until the next lesson, the first lesson reaches 50% completion. So if I click this again, and we'll watch this video until it goes past the 50% mark. It should be about now. You'll see once that happened, this lesson actually became highlighted. See how these are all sort of grayed out, and this became highlighted. So now I can click on this one. We'll let that start, and let's pause it. And you'll see if I go to that next video here, I still can't get to it. So that's video progression. If you require the students to progress through each video one at a time. The other feature here is our available after option. So what this means is if you want to, let's say, stagger out when you want your students to be able to access the course, then this is how you would configure it. So let's say you want them to access stage 1 after, let's say, 0 days. So they can access that right away. The next section, stage 2, which is right here, the golf swim mechanics. Let's say you want them to wait a week for that, and then stage 3 after 14 days. So what this would be used for mostly would be for subscriptions. If you have a subscription set up for your course, and you want to make sure that they're sort of absorbing all the materials one thing at a time, not jumping around, going one step at a time, and basically not, accessing everything all at once, then that's what you'd want set up. You'd be able to set up that subscription with our Stripe integration and then stage out, set up their courses, set up the course so that the lessons, the sections are split up into, you know, different time periods. So that's basically all I wanted to go over in this video. Hopefully that makes sense. Just one other note. Once you do configure that, it will add that over here on the right side here, available after 7 days, available after 14 days, just as a reminder for you when you're configuring this, that you have that availability feature set up. So that's it. If you have any questions on that, please reach out to support and we will do our best to help. Have a nice day.